Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, and I have the 16 by 20 inch part 1, and it's very pretty, but I want to do something to it, and I'm going to give myself permission to do that. I'm going to use some Amsterdam Black, cell activated, because it's got Minwax pre-stained wood conditioner in it. My recipe is underneath the video. It's one of my little tools. You can search how to make these with bamboo skewer and some clear duct tape, waterproof preferably, and some plastic that you can probably scavenge off any packaging. And I am going to start with whatever I can find that I don't think I'll destroy, like a favorite part of this. So I'm going to go kind of slowly. That's Anita's White Metallic. That's Venetian Blue. This is Folk Art Neon Purple. See, I've started to actually label stuff. Here's a little bit of dry paint. Here's a little bit of Dioxazine Purple, which is my go-to, is generally speaking a Hobby Lobby Master's Touch. Here's some silver, I am pretty sure is Arteza. And last but not least is my Amethyst from Folk Art. Now that's a lot of paint. So I'm going to smear a couple of times, and I figure these usually wind up looking like people. And I may just throw a few more little curves right up into the top of that. That was my good trial area. Alright, so now I'm going to not put things in the same exact place if I can manage it. I'm going to raise and lower my height of things now that I've had a decision. And I'm going to use the same colors, but I'm going to sort of move them around on my beads. And I'm not seeing a lot of the black in the first one, but I still like the colors, so I guess I'm good to go still. Almost forgot one. I'm going to finish with the blue because I really like the blue. I finally got my I finally got my Aussie Floetrol. And I've mixed some up, I just haven't used it yet, and I'm sort of in anticipation of doing so. I'm not sure what project I'm going to have to do first. I'm also not sure exactly what this is going to look like, but I'm hoping it's going to be a little more interesting than what I had. Maybe I'll try and make less marks. I'm already liking that better. I might put a little orange in between too. Can't trust me not to get funky and creative. Now I don't see enough of the purple in there, so I'm just going to put some more right in. And hope it comes out. Sometimes I get puddles of paint on the top of my tool, and those are useful. This is really pretty. Usually I like to push things away from me. Maybe I should try that. Let's see how that works. Something about working upside down is a little unnerving. And I just stole a little bit of paint. I also, I want to turn it around like immediately and see what I've done. I think I'm going to try and wipe that tool off. I will turn it around you're getting the benefit of the view. I want a little bit more of that blue over here. That's a really nice bunch of bubbles and stuff that's down there that I don't want to necessarily lose. How can I do that? Just using the front edge. Alright, let's see how I like that, because you get the better view from me right now. I drag a few things up. Constantly looking for new ways to use these tools. Put tools in the search box on my channel and it should lead you to the video where I make these tools. Let's see what that looks like. Let's see if I want to do something else. And I kind of do, because I really, really love the Venetian blue, and it often is hard, or difficult at least, to get a bunch of it to show up. And I'm a really big fan. I did a painting with it all in the background, and I wonder where that is. I like the purple almost as much as the blue, actually. Which you already knew, because I always claim it as my favorite color. I swear there was a dot under there. Okay, so I'm going to call that good, I think, until I turn it around and make my final decision. I could put some white dots in there which would look like faces, because this is definitely dancing something or other. But I'm much happier with the colors, the variations. So you guys check out some of my more than 2,000 videos by going to playlists, all playlists, creative playlists on my YouTube channel. If you'd like to be included in the monthly drawing, make sure to check out the exhibition video. Yeah, I am. I'm just going to give myself some strands with the amethyst from Artist Loft because I like it. And what it makes me really want to do is take this silver and use it up top. Oh, I did not want to get rid of that purple dot. Dry canvas, wonderful for wiping things off. Now I didn't put any white dots in, like I said I might, but I could still do that. I have some from yesterday. I keep thinking purple. Definitely doesn't look like people to me yet, but I'm definitely not the last word or the authority on that anyway. I'm thinking though that I do love this amethyst. And since I have a few purple dots already in the, I think the neon violet, this is either very similar or exactly the same looking at the moment. Okay, that's it. That's the end of part 2, with the exception of me taking that mark off of there. Let's see if I have something else I can stick in there instead. There we go. Alright, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Imagining that I don't need to torch. I might be right, I might be wrong. But I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Thank you for all the donations that have helped keep me painting. Thank you for the comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link at no added cost to you and finding my 2 books there because I can and unlimited possibilities. And checking out the link tree underneath the video, the first blue link, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and Facebook groups, and my website are all there. And underneath it, you'll find my email address. If you should like to contact me in regard to inquiring over after a class, a private class one-on-one at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, or the purchase of an artwork, which is by far and away the best possible way to support the production of videos at the studio, and the purchase of art supplies, my email address. You can ask me questions. You can find my paint pouring recipe under Show More. When you click Show More, you'll find my paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe under there. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for liking and sharing and watching my videos longer. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.